Hey everyone, welcome to Easy WordPress tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your custom header using Elementor Pro. So right now I'm logged into my WordPress dashboard. So if you see my website, it looks like this. So you can see the header, this one. So what I want is I want to change my header, custom header. So what I have to do is I have to go over template and then theme builder, and then here I have to select header, and now click on add new header. And what we have to do is we have to give a name to our header. So I'm going to give it a name custom header, and then click on create template. So here you can see there are a lots of pre-made header that I can use, and you can see there's this pro icon on the right side, so which means that I'm using Elementor Pro and this feature is only available in Elementor Pro. So let's say I love this design, this one, it looks cool, so I want this header in my website. So what I have to do is I have to click on insert, and then it's all ready. So I just have to click on publish and click on add condition, and here make sure you have selected this entire site. So and then click on save and close. So that's all. So if I see my website again, here you can see I will have that custom header. Here you can see now I have this custom header in my website. So if you like the content, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any further updates when I upload new video. Thank you for today.